Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are bringing you a glammed nail polish holder slash storage unit. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For the first project, you will need one 14-inch board, 8 mirrors from the Dollar Tree, 4 crystal knobs, and a sheet of mirrored stickers. You do have several options on how you would like to design your nail polish holder. You can use bling wrap, crystal sheets, material, whatever your heart desires. If you would like to make this permanent, you would just need to use a glass glue of some sort. We're just using a glue gun for time's sake. We are going to flip it over and mirror the second side as well. We are applying the mirror strips over the corners to give it that polished look. We will continue to lay the mirrored strips until all 4 corners are complete. For the second project, you will need 2 glass and steel cotton holders and 2 brooches. Okay, this is the storage unit part. This part you can store your cotton balls in there, your Q-tips, any type of thing that you'd like to store inside of these units here. So we're just going to apply them onto the nail polish holder, and here you have your nail polish holder and your storage unit. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you enjoyed these type of projects. And if so, we would love to hear from you. We would love to hear your feedback. Let us know in the comments down below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.